Have you ever stared at a spreadsheet packed with endless numbers and thought, how on earth am I supposed to make sense of this? Well, what if I told you that now you can just describe the chart you want in plain English, and AI instantly creates it for you? Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what today's tool, VibeChart.ai, promises to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how this new AI platform can completely transform the way you visualize data, turning boring spreadsheets into beautiful, presentation-ready visuals in seconds. So, what exactly is VibeChart.ai? In simple terms, it's an AI-powered data visualization tool that allows you to create charts, graphs, and visual reports simply by typing what you need. No complex formulas, no coding, no templates. You just tell it what you want, and it understands your intent like a human data assistant. It's almost like having a data scientist and a designer rolled into one AI platform. What really impressed me is how responsive it feels. The AI doesn't just generate visuals, it understands what your data means. You can even ask it to summarize insights, and it gives you an AI-generated interpretation alongside the chart. That's next-level productivity right there. Now, beyond just creating charts, VibeChart also lets you edit data directly inside the platform. You can rename columns, filter rows, or combine data sources. It supports more than 40 different chart types, from basic line and bar graphs to advanced visuals like waterfall charts, scatter plots, tree maps, and radar charts. It's designed for everyone, whether you're a student trying to visualize research data, a marketer analyzing campaign results, or a business professional preparing a presentation. One of the most powerful things about VibeChart is its AI transformation feature. Sometimes, your data isn't clean or properly formatted. Maybe it has inconsistent date formats or missing entries. Instead of manually fixing everything, you can ask VibeChart in plain text and it will automatically transform your dataset. It's like ChatGPT, but specifically trained for data handling. Now, let's actually see how this works. Head over to VibeChart.ai. You just click on the login button at the top right corner, and then choose to continue with your Google account. Within seconds, you're in. No extra forms or long verification processes. It's smooth and instant. Once you're logged in, you land on the main dashboard. The top of the screen shows your project list, and below that, you'll see several options like Import Sheets, Upload Excel, Upload File, Add Image, or Paste Data. Basically, it gives you multiple ways to feed your data into the platform. Whether it's a CSV file, an Excel sheet, or even an image with numbers in it, VibeChart can read and visualize it. Now let's actually try creating one together. In the text box, I'm going to type a simple prompt. Create a pie chart showing revenue distribution by product category. The moment I hit enter, the tool starts processing that request. You'll see it going through steps like extracting and filtering data for charting, drawing the chart, validating the data and code, and then rendering the final result. The entire process happens automatically, right in front of you. Within a few seconds, the chart appears. A clean, colorful pie chart that visually represents the revenue distribution across product categories like electronics, apparel, home and kitchen, books, and more. It's clear, polished, and instantly understandable. The best part is, you didn't have to write a single line of code or manually create any visual. But it gets even better. You can continue to refine your chart simply by typing follow-up instructions. For example, right after creating the pie chart, I can type something like, make it 3D. And just like that, VibeChart updates the visual in real time, turning it into a three-dimensional chart. You could also type commands like change the color theme, add percentage labels, or make the background dark. It feels almost conversational. You're literally chatting with your data, and the AI understands you. Finally, once you're satisfied with the chart, you can view the final result in full detail. The pie chart clearly shows how much each product category contributes to total revenue. It's interactive, smooth, and presentation ready. You can download it, embed it, or use it directly in your reports. Whether you're analyzing sales performance, financial data, or demographic trends, this platform turns hours of manual work into just a few seconds of AI magic. I'll leave the link to VibeChart.ai in the description. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating smarter with AI.